Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a lemon or lime squeezer for your squeezing needs. So let's take a look at this heavy duty lemon squeezer. Alright guys, so this is how it comes in. A lot of plastic bags here. Alright, so there was another bubble wrap inside, but it all came out at once. Check this thing out, guys. So the company's called Cucuzina, maybe? But check out how nice this looks in red. That looks pretty cool. So it's pretty large size, you can see my hand. So down here we have the holes where the juice flows out. So there's a curvature in the handle here, which is nice to hold. Inside we have some ridges here to squeeze out that juice, and that's pretty much it, guys. So you cut your lemon in half and you put your half in here and then you squeeze the lemon juice out of it. That's pretty much all this thing does. So there's a lot of times when you need just a little bit of lemon juice on like some salad or some fish. Like we like to put some lemon on our fish, especially when we grill, squeeze some out. And this is an easy way to do it, and the cleanup would be a breeze, obviously. So yeah, this thing is very light, guys. So I don't know how much it weighs, but it's not much at all. I mean, it's feather light. It must be, it's made out of like aluminum because it's extremely light. It's not like cast iron. All right, so let's get that lime over here, and let's cut this guy in half. So I'm guessing the normal way to be to cut it just like this. And there we have our beautiful little lime. So essentially all you do, and as you can tell, guys, you can fit a pretty big lemon in here or a lime, but you just set it in there just like that. Obviously the more in the middle it is, the better. And then you just squeeze it with all you got. And obviously you're gonna have some spraying going on, but yeah, here we go, guys. And there goes our juicy. So the juice kind of collects in there, so you have to go upside down, but you can tell it smashed it pretty hard there. So some of these will have a lot of juice, some of them will not as much. But you can tell we pretty much squeezed out most of that juice in there. So usually lemons have a lot more juice in them than limes. So you can't squeeze out as much on limes. So yeah, and once you're done with this, all you gotta do is rinse it out and you're good to go for the next round whenever you're ready for it. So after I squeezed this lemon, guys, I realized that I probably did it all wrong. So I think you're supposed to cut the bottom off of it too, like this. So when you're squeezing it, it all comes out. Because when I squeezed it, it kind of just, you know, tried to come out the other way. So let's try that again. Let's put this cut bottom here down and do it again and see what happens. So hopefully this time we'll have a little better success. So let's go. And there we go, guys. For sure, it's working so much better. So I knew I was doing something wrong. And it seems like we're getting a lot more juice too, like that. So that's pretty much topped out there. And you can see, guys, we got a pretty good puddle in there of juice, lemon juice. Or lime juice. So as you can see, it was able to squeeze through here, and that's the right way to squeeze it. So yeah, guys, this is a pretty simple but very useful tool in the kitchen, and it makes getting juice out of lemons or limes pretty easy. So this thing does have apparently a lifetime warranty, so it should last a while. The hinge over here seems pretty tough. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out. The price on this thing is very reasonable at $8 on Amazon Prime. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, or I do all kinds of stuff on this channel, mostly reviews. If you do enjoy that kind of stuff and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.